are you all? Welcome back to my channel. This is Jacarta vlog. For today's video, I'm going to show you how to subscribe in the channel that you want to subscribe to. Okay, if you don't know how to do that, I can show you step by step. Are you ready, guys? Please follow me. Okay, let's get started. First of all, go in the YouTube. Okay, when you are in the YouTube, you can type in here the channel that you want to subscribe to. Okay, let's say I want to subscribe to Jacarta vlog. So what I'm gonna do, I type in at Jacarta vlog. Okay, and click that one. There you go. Jacarta have so many here. It shows in here her video. I show you this name. Yes, Jacarta vlog. Yeah, this is all video. Yeah, let's say this is the channel that you want to subscribe. Okay, go ahead and click one of them. Okay, let's say this one. And in here, if you can see here, guys, there's a red writing said subscribe. Click that one. Okay, in here, if you see this bell, this small bell here, you click this one and it gives you option here, none. It's not gonna notify you. Okay, so for me, I would like to notify all for her upcoming video, so I'm gonna click all. It means I want to accept all the notification for Jacarta vlog upcoming video. Okay, let's try it, guys. There you go. So you receive all notification, it says here. So that's it, guys, how you subscribe to the channel that you want to subscribe to but you don't know how. I hope this video helped you. Thank you very much for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.